Welcome to Figma Bites, the video series that aims to teach you to speed up your Figma workflow. Today we're visiting a copy pasta buffet to sample a trio of treats from our pizza toppings Big Bite. First up, and one of my favorite techniques, is the drag copy shortcut. If we select an object while keeping our mouse button down, press the Option key and drag, it will attach a copy to the cursor to place where we want. Our second treat builds on the previous one. Once we place a drag copied object on the canvas, we can press Command D to duplicate the exact same move repeatedly. Third, we have the ability to copy and paste properties. If we right-click on an object, hover over Copy Paste As and select Copy Properties, we can then right-click on another object and go into the same menu and select Paste Properties. The shortcuts for these are Option-Command-C for copy and Option-Command-V for paste. I hope you enjoyed our copy pasta buffet and learned something along the way. Thanks for watching.